Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to peel a prawn, or some people might call these shrimps, but in Australia we call them prawns. And it's really just a simple 3-step method. And the first step is you just remove the head from the rest of the body. So just grab that and sort of pinch at the same time, and the head comes free from the body, and I'll put the head over to one side there. Second step is just put your little fingers just along those line there where those legs are starting, and just peel. And there's 1, 2, 3 segments, and you take the 1, 2, 3 segments, or those all 3 segments, in one go and peel it around. And then when it's almost off, just pinch in the middle there, pinch with your left hand, and there we go. Well, most of those legs have come up as well. And then third step is just to remove this this bit of prawn from the tail section. So there's 1, 2, 3 segments there of scales on the tail, and just push and pull, and there we go. There's just a little leg there that I'll just remove to get rid of it, and there we go. That's a perfectly peeled prawn. And if you don't like that the intestinal tract that runs down the back there of the prawn, you can just get a little wooden skewer if you like, and just peel it up like that, or dig it in like that, and just expose that intestinal tract, and a little bit more down to right to the tail, and there we go. There's a perfectly peeled prawn. And I love having prawns in a fresh bread roll. So obviously I'll have 5 or 6 in that one, but I'll just peel some more and put them in the bread roll, and that's a great way to enjoy your prawns. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.